ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kay Universal Advertising hagasin meningkong eglapin long ko First International Universal Expo com exhibition araja abusao kabade kayo yede thiet ka bahe baha po kanong ba shilong ya ka dang haga khasaw trik urampang araja abusao ya kini kayo laplipat ba do menteri sarkar pe ya katra animal and husbandry veterinary uba Alexander Laluhek haka SRGT parking lot Polo Shillong Nakiliang kinong penyai kila pentip bagi patba ki buan syakini kayo kidon kam banthi de ki tiket but hagas ngi ka bakut kata ka at penyo trek mentau benai kin sapin khalai nu sip but ki job kin sayo ya ki khusnam ki blai dan lang hagani ngi ba play ya kani kayo ki kin thop you president ka Micro and Small Scale Industries Association of Meghalaya uba NR Dingdo u assistant director ka MSME uba RS Nongbri u assistant director in change MSME joga sarkar India UN Charman lor ki wepan
States are amongst us today to showcase their extraordinary and breathtaking commodities, from the luscious dry fruits of Afghanistan to the evocative perfumes of Dubai, garments of Bangladesh, lamps of Turkey, jewelries of Thailand, and numerous local entrepreneurs. We are thrilled to host this event in the heart of Meghalaya, Shillong.
A.L. Honorable Minister, Government of Meghalaya, for sparing his valuable time despite his busy schedule to be a part of this opening ceremony. Thank you, sir, once again. I would also like to thank our guests sharing the stage, Shri I.Z. Riang, Deputy Director Marketing, Commerce and Industries Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shri R.S. Nongbri, Assistant Director, Branch MSME Development and Facilitation Office, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, Shri Neeraj Sharma, Assistant Director in charge, MSME Branch, Development and Facilitation Office, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, Shillong, and Kong Mira, the Managing Director of the agency, as well as the other members present here to be a part of this event. I would also like to express my gratitude to the organizers, Bazan Semyong, Mr. Raj Chaudhary and his team for their consent to collaborate with our association to organize this exhibition. A brief introduction about our association. Micro and Small Scale Industries Association of Meghalaya is an association formed by and for the interests of micro and small industries of the state. The aims and objectives of the association is to encourage, promote, and protect the general interests of the entrepreneur engaged in the micro and small industries of the state. There are a number of challenges that the entrepreneurs of the state faces in terms of infrastructure, like the availability of land in designated industrial areas, estates, to accommodate the growing enterprises, logistics, power, and other amenities which are conducive to the growth of micro and small industries of the state. Despite such challenges, it is encouraging to see the growing number of entrepreneurs, symbolizing the enterprising spirit of the state, of the people of the state. Organizing such an event is also an area of interest of the association to provide a common platform for locally made products and entrepreneurs to showcase their products. Since there is no dedicated trade and exhibition center in the state, the organizers are compelled to organize such events at different locations of the state based on the availability of the venue. In the coming years, we will try to invite and encourage more entrepreneurs from the state to take part in our exhibition. In this exhibition, there are exhibitors participating from about different states of the country and foreign countries like Dubai, Thailand, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, to name a few. On behalf of the association and the organizers, thanks the exhibitors for having faith in us to put up stalls and showcase their products. We wish them good business. I would also like to take this opportunity to request the public to visit the exhibition as a means to support our initiative. I'm sure there is something for someone. Since this is our first experience in organizing such event, we express our deepest apologies if there is any deficiency of service from our side. I would also like to express our sincere gratitude to concerning authorities in helping us to get various permissions to organize this event. Thank you everyone involved for their support to make the event a success. We assure you to make the Universal Expo better and grander in the coming years. Thank you once again. Enjoy the evening, the rest of the evening. Kublai Shubho.
Gratitude in the presence of our Honorable Minister, Shri A.L. Haq, who is in charge of the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, also the Fisheries Department, the GAD, and also the Printing and Stationery Department. So thank you so much, sir. In spite of busy and hectic schedule, especially when about 1 or 2 days the assembly session, the budget session will start, but you have been able to spare your valuable time to be with us in this special occasion, where I would like to congratulate the Micro Small Scale Industries Association of Meghalaya, where I got a letter and we have met in the office with Nam and also the Vice President with regards to the invitation to this program. Although you have started this Expo from the 9th and it will be up to the 27th, but this day we gather here to celebrate this program, and we would like to also congratulate with the collaboration of the Universal Expo, since I have seen and I have heard that this is the first Expo of its kind organized by our local entrepreneurs. So this is a very encouraging, and I would like to congratulate to them, especially to the President, the Vice President, the Secretary, Kong S. Thabat, also from the Universal Advertising, our Kong Mira Sim Yong, and also other members of this Universal Advertising team. Also with the supporting members like Mr. Ashok Rai, Mr. Raj Turi, thank you for your support, and especially for to uplift the skill of our entrepreneurs. And I have also expressed our gratitude in the presence of Mr. Niraj Sharma, who is the Assistant Director in charge of the Ministry of MSME, the branch here in Shillong, and also Ba Nongbri, also who is the Assistant Director of MSME here in Shillong. And I have come to know that this podium and this arena consists of more than 100 stalls, where about 20 states from all over the country, India, are participating here. And also you have 5 international participants, or the foreign partners we could say, from Afghanistan, from Dubai, from Bangladesh and Turkey. So I wish that everyone and all the participants to enjoy and experience the beauty of our state here in the state capital, Shillong, and also to help our entrepreneurs who are coming and visiting your stalls. We would like to improve our products. Our products in local also are very unique. From the department, we used to have schemes to help and promote, especially like this MSSIAM also. You have the aims and objectives to help and to promote our local entrepreneurs. It is a privilege also to know that some of our products have gone exported internationally to Dubai, like Doha and all, some of our local products like oranges and others. And some units, they have participated also in the international exhibition, and I am lucky enough that I have been accompanied with them also to Dubai during 2022 in the World Expo, which was supposed to be held on during 2020, but due to the COVID, it was extended for another postponed for 2 years. So I won't take much of the time. We would love to visit all the stalls and to encourage our people also to see. And just now we have tasted the tea without tea leaves from Kashmir. I used to see only in the YouTube in one of the lake in Kashmir, where in the boat they have all this stuff, but now I can physically taste that thing. So that is a very encouraging. So thank you so much. And with these few words, I wish this Expo, International Expo, a grand success from now till the closing of it. Thank you, Mithila and Jai Hind.
I would like to inform you, I have recently joined Shillong office, and my observation is that I am also surprised to see that there are only 11,500 units which are registered with MSME. Means there are lakhs of industries which are currently working in Meghalaya, but only 11,500 industries are registered with MSME. They have the Udyam registration. Rest of the units are deprived of the benefit that ministry is extending to them because they are not having MSME registration. So I urge all the association, all the participants to register on MSME portal. It's Udyam registration. It's totally free of cost, faceless, paperless, and within 5 to 10 minutes you can get your MSME registration. And once you are registered with Ministry of MSME, all the benefits of the central government as well as the state government, you become eligible for that. There are various schemes from the Ministry of MSME, which includes like currently you are participating in this event. I have discussed with the organizer because at the moment this fair is not approved by the Ministry of MSME, but next time get this fair approved from the Ministry of MSME. You can get reimbursement, eligible MSME unit which are having Udyam registration. They can get reimbursement in A class city up to 1.5 lakh rupees and B class city like this, B or C class city like this. 80,000 rupees reimbursement can be done per fair and maximum 2 fair they can participate in domestic. Again for marketing, because I have seen many of the units here, they are food related to food processing. So, and other various handloom, etc. So the micro units are available. Now they require barcode for them for marketing their product. So Ministry of MSME have scheme for reimbursement of barcode also. So you can avail those benefits. Now, if you want to participate in international exhibition, then with the help through the association, you can participate in 2 international exhibitions from the Ministry of MSME. Reimbursement can be, you can get up to 4.5 lakh rupees. That includes the cost of stall and the airfare also. Then we have schemes for the first time exporters, capacity building for first time exporters, because now here there are participants for from the foreign also. If you want to export and if you have the IEC code which is not more than 3 years old, then the fee of RCMC, that is up to 20,000, that can be reimbursed. Then there are multiple benefits, testing charges, certification charges up to 1 lakh that can also be reimbursed from Ministry of MSME. So these are the benefits for the first time exporter which you can avail if you have the valid Udyam registration. Again, if I have been told there are more than 100 exhibitors, some of them are manufacturers, service providers and traders also. So there are various schemes like CGT, MSC, PMDGP also, through which they can avail the primary sector lending benefits. Banks are ready to give the loan to the micro small enterprises. Today I have just attended the RBI town hall meeting. They are not finding the means manufacturer, service provider or the eligible micro, small, medium enterprises to lend them, and we are finding from where we can get the finance. So all the various schemes are available with the Ministry of MSME through which you can get benefited. Then we have a scheme of IPR also. If you want to register with the trademark, maximum cost is 10,000. That also can be benefit. If you want to design new product, we have a design component under this innovative scheme. If you have new idea, if you want to develop the prototype, again Ministry of MSME have schemes for that. So I just want to ask from this platform, avail the benefit of schemes of Ministry of MSME as well as the state government. And I think it will be beneficial for you, and we are ready to help you in the maximum capacity that we can. Our office is near BK Bajoria School. You can anytime you can visit to us, and we will be happy to serve you. So thank you once again. Congratulations to the organizer and Micro and Small Scale Industries Association for successfully organizing this event. Thank you. Thank you very much.
The Micro and Small Scale Industries Associations of Meghalaya for inviting me as a chief guest to inaugurate this exhibitions cum sales. I'd like to thank the organizers, all the members present, and particularly Mr. Niraj Sharma, the Assistant Director of the MSME, stationed in Shillong now. We have also our Baryang, the Deputy Director of Meghalaya Industry. We have Bar Nongbri, the Assistant Director of MSME, all the friends present here today. At a glance, when they first met me in my office inviting me for the chief guest, I was drawing the different picture of the exhibitions. I thought that they're going to have a lot of the local entrepreneurs to participate in the exhibition. When I reach here, I've seen the different picture when many of the industrial exhibitions have been taking place. Anyway, that is, we have to learn from each other. Both we need to be combined. We can think, we can make local but think global. That way only we can flourish. So my point is, today when we talk about to promote the local entrepreneurs, first we have to know the demand drivens of the markets. Many of us, we just make the products without having any demand. The main important is we have to see first which product. Today the gentleman has given us this tea called Kawa, brought all the way from Kashmir. But this tea, they said by our Deputy Director, the tea without the tea leaf. This is a great thing. But when we are sipping the tea, we got the taste of the sweet, the sugar. So it has defeated the original taste of the kawa. Don't take me otherwise. I just want to see how we can sell our product. Our main to sell our product is we have to see the demand driven. Which products are there in the market, where the demands are there. And also we have to MSME, when they make the rules, you should see, it should be blend with the characteristic of the state, not the blanket of this, make the nation uniform rules or the, whatever that you are introduce your products in the state of in the state of Meghalaya or anywhere, it has to be in sync with the state of Meghalaya. Then only we can promote the local entrepreneur. So therefore, I'm very happy today. Since I've come to this exhibition, I've seen so many the stall there where they told it is a small one today, but for me, first time I have been entered into the big exhibition like this. That also we have seen so many industrial products which has brought from the different industries, coming from different part of the state of India, was bring the product to showcase their product here in this exhibition. So friends, I will not take much of your time, but only want to tell you, when we create this kind of promotions of the entrepreneur, we create employment. Now, if you're asking for the white collar job, it have completely saturated. Very difficult to get the white collar job. I mean, in the departments and the governments to get the white collar job. We have to depend on our skill development. So MSME and also the Micro and Small Scale Industry Association, they also are promoting the skill. We have so many skills in the state of Meghalaya. What we need to tap the skill. How to tap the skill is we have to see, like we have seen so many people homemaking wine. Homemaking wine is a big driven demand. Today if you talk about the wine, it is universally, we can sell the wine, not only locally. Make local and we can think global. But we need only to teach them how to do the packaging. Packaging, all the product, the brand is depend on the brand. How we sell our product. We have to brand in such a way that it can be sold not only locally, you can sell it nationally and also internationally. So that has to be taught to our local entrepreneurs. So many things are there. Like you see now, the oranges has been mentioned someone. It has gone beyond our country today. It can be export the oranges. We can export the turmeric. Is one of the best product in the world today. The turmeric, which is made from locally only. So the best is how we can do the market linkage. The market linkage is very important to sell our product. And also we have to tell them from where we can get the other facilities. Facilities is like when we are applying for any small industry or micro industry or whatever industry we are trying to set up. We should tell them also why we can get the benefits. What are the benefits? What is the grant that the government of India is giving? What is the grant the government of Meghalaya is giving? What is the subsidy they are giving? What are the loan that we can help them to to obtain the loan? There are so many things are there that we can help our local entrepreneur by bringing also people from outside. That the local and the people from outside, they can collaborate, they can learn from each other to promote their own product. So main thing is we need to create employment. Employment now we have seen to get job, it is very difficult. Recently only in my department SAD, we had advertised for 119 posts. Where the people who had sat for the exam are 59,000 people have sat for exam. That also for the grade 4 post. The unemployment is a big issue today, not only in our state, in the whole country. People are talking about the employment. Where our youths will go? Tell me where our youths will go. That's why we had thanks to the government of India for the industry, government of Meghalaya for showing us so many schemes, so many avenues that we can promote our own livelihood. We need to be sustainable livelihood. We cannot go only for temporary livelihoods. We have to have the sustainable livelihood by having our own skill, our own development where we can promote our products. So therefore, which I have also said before, the most important only to sell our product is only we have to see the demand driven by the public. Where the demands are there, then only we can sell our product. And also like I said before about the turmeric, the quality. The quality, if we have a small quantity with a quality product, where you will sell where do we have a small quantity? We have to have a big quantity only to sell in the country, to export outside the country. The quantity and the quality also is the most important when you are selling, when we are talking about the product which was made locally. Therefore, we request to our organizers. Today I have seen that we have organized the exhibition here, and also we have to think how to promote the products of the state. Like I have told you, we have so many fruits where they can make wine. Wine today, you see everybody else can sell universally, you can sell the wine. The turmeric, which is already sold abroad, they're sold outside the country. So we should have many other skills also where we can produce our product, also we can participate. That's also important to compete with the market. Without competition, we cannot grow. That's why we need to compete with the market. The marketing is very important, and also to help them in all the other facilities where we can promote our local entrepreneurs. So with this pivot, I will not take much of your time. Thank you very much for inviting me. And I take also this opportunity to declare these exhibitions, the first exhibitions of the grand opening ceremony of the first Universal Expo and Cup exhibition is declared open. Thank you very much.